Will now be recorded.
Okay, so welcome to Mohansh Technologies. I hope everybody can understand about the Python related conditions and loops. Yesterday we discussed about conditions and loops, and let's go with some other things. Collaboratory, open collaboratory. This is the file with us. Hmm. Let me connect it to the cloud. Okay, I am connecting to the cloud. So yesterday we discussed about the functions. Sorry, we discussed about the loops. We discussed about the conditions and we discussed about the loops also. Okay, today we are going to be discussing about the functions in Python. So how functions can work in Python? Same functions also can be manipulated with indentation. So let's discuss about the functions. Okay, let me discuss about functions. Functions in Python. Functions in Python. Right. Okay. Hmm. Good morning, Manasa.
Good morning, sir.
Functions in Python. So last class we discussed about conditions and loops, right? So conditions and loops and conditions and loops combination also we discussed. And today we are discussing about the functions in Python. Okay, how functions can define in Python? Okay, functions can be defined with def keyword. Def keyword. Def keyword. Remember, in Python, functions can be defined with the def keyword. In other programming languages, functions can be defined with the function keyword. But in Python, functions can be defined with the def keyword. Def, 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 def. Okay. And one more thing, a function name is custom name. Function name is custom name. You can define whatever the name you want. Okay. One more thing, function name need to follow function name need to follow some rules and regulations. Function name need to follow some rules. What are the rules? Same like a variable, amma. Same like a variable. Okay. Function name should not start with number. Function name should not start with number. Same. Function name do not have space spaces. And one more thing, function name do not a Python keyword or identifier. Python keyword or identifier. Okay. Identifier. Okay. Something like if else. Don't give the function name as Python keyword. Don't give function name as Python keyword. That is very, very important. Am I clear? Manasa Rachna Sriya. And one more thing.
Yes.
Yes, one more thing. A function name do not contain any special characters. Any special characters. And what are the special characters? These are the special characters. Don't keep any special character in the function name. Don't keep any special character in the function name. Don't keep. Okay, remember, all these are special characters. All these are special characters. Don't use any special character in the function name. Okay, one more point. Function name allowed what is that? Underscore. Okay, function name allowed underscore only. Okay, so what I tell, function can be defined with the def keyword. Can I go with the functions now? Can I start with the functions now? Okay, these are the points you have to remember. Okay, let me go. Def function name is myself. I can able to write whatever the name I want. Whatever the name I want. Okay, let me define something like Mohansh. Let me define some function called Mohansh. Okay. Parenthesis. So one more point I need to give. Functions follow. Functions need indentation. Functions need indentation. One more important point. Function name. Function name closed with parenthesis. Closed with parenthesis. Remember. Okay. Def function name is Mohansh. That is my wish actually. I want to give the name of the function Mohansh. Parenthesis colon. When I give colon, automatically block starts. Automatically block starts. Automatically block starts. Indentation starts. Okay. Let me write down. Okay. I am in function. I am in. I am in function. Okay. Then after declaration of the function, you need to call na. See, function need to call. Function need to call. Compulsory. Function need to call. How to call? How to call? How to call function? That's it. Okay. This is the definition of the function. This is the declaration of the function, and this is the calling of function. Declaration. Declaration of function. This is declaration of function. This is calling of function. Calling of function. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear? Declaration is there, and I'm calling the function. Say Mohansh. Whatever the function name I'm declaring, I'm just calling it. Whatever the function name I'm declaring, I'm just calling it. Okay, execute it. What is output, guys? What is output there? Manasa, Rachna, Sriya, Tamal. What is output there? I'm
I
declaring
am
the
in
function.
function.
I am in function. Yeah, I'm in function. Okay, thank you. I am writing one more line in function. Okay, I'm in function. Thank you. That's all. That's all. This is the function. Okay, let me tell you what I told. What I told. Function name should not start with number. Let me validate. Let me validate it. The rules and regulations. Let me validate it. Function name should not start with a number. Okay, def 1emp. Okay, I just want to write the function like 1emp. Okay, emp available. Emp available. Okay, I need to call the function now. Okay, call the function 1emp. That's what. Okay, execute it. Is it work? I already told you function name should not start with number. I'm starting with a number. Function name is custom name. Whatever the name you want, you can provide it. But there are some rules and regulations. There are some rules and regulations. You have to follow it. There are some rules and regulations. You have to follow it. Okay, the first one, function name should not start with number. Okay, that is working. Function name do not have spaces. Okay, let me check it out. Let me check it out. Okay, employee definition, def employee details. This is the function name. I'm starting with I'm going to writing with the function name employee space details, but I'm giving space now. I'm giving space now. If I'm giving space, if I'm giving space, if I'm giving space, this will work out or not? same function name I want to execute it here. Copy, paste. What is happening? Not work out. Not work out. Obviously not work out. Why? Because function name contained spaces. Function name contained spaces. It will not work out. Okay, the next one. What is the next rule? I need to keep the heading for this. Sorry. Next, one more. Function name do not Python keyword or identifier. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Let me check it out. Manasa, tell one Python keyword. If is Python keyword, huh? If
Yes,
is
sir.
Python, yes. Let me go. Print hi. Okay. Can I execute it? I can able to execute it? No. Definitely no. Why? Because function name do not Python keyword or identifier. If you want to check what are the identifiers or keywords for Python, just go for Python keywords and identifiers. Just check it out. You will be having a number of links. Okay, let me go for geeks for geeks. Okay. They are telling a number of keywords. If you want to check like what are the number of keys and identifiers, you can check like this. Okay, let me give the code here. Import keywords. These are the keywords and identifiers of Python. Don't don't give don't give these keywords or identifiers as function names like false, none, true, and, as, assert, async, await, break, class, continue, def, del, elif, else, expect, finally, from, global, if. I'm giving if na. What I'm giving here? If. What is the if here? If is available in the keywords or not? If is available in the keywords. So that is the why reason it is not taking. That is the why reason it is not taking. Manasa, Rachna, Sriya, Tamal, understanding or no?
Understood.
Keywords don't use as function. Okay, let me go. One more validation. Function name do not contain any special character. Let me go with this validation. Let me go with this validation. Function name do not contain any special characters like whatever the characters I'm writing there. Okay, let me write down. Def emp name hyphen I'm giving, not underscore. This is not underscore. This is hyphen. This is not underscore. This is hyphen. Okay, print Mohansh. Print Mohansh. This will work out. Manasa, this will work out.
No, sir.
No. Why? Because hyphen is what? Hyphen is what? Special character.
Special character.
It will not work out. Definitely it will not work out. Okay, sure. Next, one more rule. One more rule. Function name allowed underscore only. Function name allowed underscore only. Okay, let me go with the function with underscore. Let me define a function with underscore. Okay, def emp underscore name. Can I write the function like this? Can I write the function like this? Can I write the function like this? Yes, you can write. You can write. Underscore is only allowed thing. Underscore is only allowed thing. Okay. Function name is basically whatever the name you want, you can give, sir. Function name is custom name. Function name is custom name. You can give anything. Function name is custom name. You can give anything, but you have to follow some rules and regulations. There are some conditions. There are some conditions. We have to follow it. Am I clear, guys? Am I clear how to write function? Okay, let me write down function def add x is equal to 10, y is equal to 20. Can I go for the z? Z is equal to x plus y. Then print addition is, yeah, addition is yeah, go ahead, comma z. I need to call the function. If you don't call the function, it will not work out. You need to call the function. Okay, I'm calling add function. Addition is 30. Addition is 30. Am I clear, sir? Am I clear how to write a function? Manasa, Rachna, Sriya, Tamal. Am I clear or not? This is the function. This is the writing function. Okay, let me define a function. Def get full name. Get full name. This is the one more function. Okay, let me write down the first name. First name is equal to Mohansh. Last name is equal to Technologies. Last name is equal to Technologies. I want to get the full name, sir. I want to get the full name, sir. How to get the full name, sir? Okay, there is a variable called full name is equal to first name plus last name. String concatenation. Yesterday we discussed about concatenation. There is operator. Finally, print the full name. My full name is comma, sorry, full name. That's it. Call the function. Get full name. Call the function like this. Can you see the output? My full name is Mohansh Technologies. Am I clear, sir? Am I clear? This one. If you want to take a space, you can take a space. Mohansh Technologies. Okay, there is a one more kind of function. I want to write now. Function with parameters. Function with parameters. Again, I want to give the rules and regulations of the parameter. Na? Same points. Come to the parameters, same points. Parameter name is custom name. Parameter name need to follow some rules and regulations. Parameter name should not start with the number. Parameter name do not have spaces. Parameter name do not Python keyword or identifier. Parameter name do not contain any special characters. Parameter name allowed underscores. Same like functions. Same like functions. Same like a function. Function name is custom name, but you have to follow some rules and regulations. Variable name is custom name, but you have to follow some rules and regulations. Same like that. Parameter name is also custom name, but you have to follow some rules and regulations. These are the same rules. 1 second, guys. Just give me 1 second. Okay, sorry guys. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes, Rohit.
Yes.
Manasa, Rachna, Rohit, Sriya, Tamal. Okay, fine. Let me go ahead. Okay. Parameter. Parameter name is custom name, same like a function name, same like a variable name. But you have to follow some rules and regulations. Parameter name should not start with a number. Parameter name do not have spaces. Parameter name do not have Python keyword identifier. Parameter name do not contain any special characters. And parameter name allowed underscore only. Okay, let me define. Let me define function with parameters. Def add x comma y. These are the two parameters I'm taking. Okay, x comma y. X is one parameter, y is one parameter. Okay, these parameters are actually custom names. I'm following the rules and regulations. It is custom name and it is not starting with a number, no spaces, no keyword, no identifier, no special characters, underscore allowed. Am I following? Am I following or not? Sir, I am following the rules. I am following the rules. Then only I can able to get the outputs. Then only I can able to get the output. Otherwise, you cannot able to run the program. I am following the rules. Okay, let me go. First name, comma, last name. Am I follow the rules? I am following the rules or not? First name, last name. Print the full name. Oh my god. Full name is equal to f name plus l name. Now call the function. Okay, get the function name like get full name. Okay, get full name. Call the get full name. When you call the get full name, you need to pass the values. You need to pass the values. The first value I am passing like Mohansh. Second value I need to pass like technologies. Sir, execute it, sir. Parameters. Parameters. F name, L name, both are parameters. I am passing inside the parenthesis. But parameter name also, you need to follow the rules and regulations. Okay, I can able to see the output of this. My full name is Mohansh Technologies. Am I clear, sir? Okay, let me validate it. Let me validate it. Okay. Yeah. Def. Write down a function add. Write down a function add. For addition, there is a variable called summation. Summation is equal to x plus y, x this plus y this. This is special character. This is special character. I'm trying to taking a special character, sir. 10 comma 20. This will allow or not allow. I'm defining some parameters here, but parameter name, I did a mistake. Parameter name, I did a mistake. What is the mistake?
Special characters.
For parameter name, I added a special character. No, it will not allow. Definitely, it will not allow. Okay, so I just want to give this parameter name do not contain any special character. This is working or not? This validation is working or not? Okay, let me do one thing. Should not start with a number. Parameter name should not start with a number. Let me go. Let me go. Same. Def add. Okay. 1 EMP, comma 2 EMP. Can I write the parameters like this? Can I write the parameters like this? Print. Just 1 second. 1 EMP plus 1 EMP plus 2 EMP. Parameter name don't start with a number. Call add Mohansh Santosh. First EMP, Mohansh. Second EMP, Santosh. Can I concatenate it? What is the problem? Parameter name. Parameter name should not start with the number. Don't start with the numbers. Don't use any special characters inside. That is the problem. Okay, let me do one more thing. One more validation. One more validation. Parameter name do not have spaces. Parameter name do not have spaces. Let me validate this also. Okay, add add f space name comma l space name. Sir, I'm giving spaces for the parameter, sir. It will work out or not? It will work out or not? Add f name plus l name. Accept. Accepting. I don't know. This is accepting. Maybe it will accept, it seems. No, no, it will not accept it. Invalid syntax. What is the problem? What is the problem? I try to think it will accept. No, it will not accept. Don't give the spaces. Don't give the spaces. Okay, let me do one more thing. Def add if comma if is one parameter, elif is one parameter. If is one parameter, elif is one parameter. Now print if plus elif. Finally, I want to call this add function. Okay, Mohansh Technologies. Can I add this? No, sir, not possible. Okay, everybody got understand what I'm doing here? I'm just validating it. I'm just validating it. All this thing. Parameter name need to follow some rules and regulations. Parameter name should not start with a number. Parameter name should not have spaces. Parameter name do not be a Python keyword or identifier. Parameter name do not contain any special characters. Parameter name allowed underscores. This is working now. This is working now. I given underscores. F underscore name, L underscore name. Am I clear, guys? Okay, so let me do def add first number comma second number. First number, second number. Okay, summation is equal to first number plus first number num, first number plus s num. Okay, this is something like arithmetic operation. Why? Because I need to pass the numbers. I need to pass the numbers. Okay, so finally print summation. Print summation. Okay, let me call the function. Let me call the function. Add of 120 345. What is output, guys?
465.
Is correct or not? Is this correct?
Correct.
Function is working. Parameters are working. Why? Because these parameters following the rules and regulations. Underscore. I take an underscore. Yeah, it is working. If you give any special character, it will not work out. If you start with the number, it will not work out. If you give spaces, it will not work out. If you take any Python keyword, it will not work out. Please understand the rules and regulations. Rules and regulations of the programming. Rules and regulations of the functions. Function name, you have to follow some rules and regulations. Parameters also, you have to follow some rules and regulations. That is very, very important. Am I clear, guys? Okay, let me write down one more function. Okay. One more example. Get EMP details. Get EMP details. This is my function name. The first one is name. Parameters. I'm taking the parameters. Okay. Don't keep the special codes and all. Name, ID, employee ID, employee name, employee ID, employee salary. Employee name, employee ID, employee salary. Now tell me, what is the name of the function? What are the parameters here? What is the name of the function? What are the parameters here? Anyone, please tell me.
Parameters are employee name, employee ID, and employee salary.
Function name?
Get employee details.
Get employee details.
Exactly. That's it. Very good. Very good. I want to print all these things. Okay. Let me go. Let me go. First employee name I want to print. Oh my God. Collaborator is helping me. Collaborator is helping me. Okay. Let me go. First employee name. Employee name Mohansh. ID 1001 and salary 98,000. Sort. Call the function. Employee name is Mohansh. ID is 1001. Salary is 98,000. Is there any questions about this? Whatever you want, you can write it. Let me write about the product. Okay. Let me write about the product. Def get product details. Get product details. Okay. Let me write down the function. PRD name. PRD price. Sir, what is PRD, sir? PRD nothing but product, sir. PRD nothing but product. Okay. Any product, TV, washing machine, or refrigerator, whatever you want, you can take it. I don't know. Okay. This code is giving collaborator is giving a lot of things. Okay. Product name is something, and the product PRD price. Next, quantity. How many products I have in the shop. Okay. Finally, one more print is needed. Product quantity. PRD underscore QTY quantity. Okay. Let's execute this. Get get product details. What is the name of the product? It should be something like a smart TV. Price of the product. It may be something like 2 lakhs. What are how many products I have today in my shop? 45 products I have. Okay, execute it. Product name is smart TV and the price is 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs, number. Okay. Quantity 45. I have 45 TVs today in my shop. Like this, you can write your functions, sir. Am I clear about functions? Am I clear about the functions? Manasa,
Yes,
Rachna,
sir.
Rohit, and Sriya, Tamal. Okay. So actually, I'm not feeling well today, so you can take it off now. We will continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be discussing about more and more on Python, a different topic in Python. And there are multiple kind of functions which are going to be available, like function with return type. Function with return type is there, and the lambda functions are there in Python. We have to discuss a lot of things in functions. Tomorrow we'll close about the functions. Day after tomorrow I start with JSON, JavaScript object notation. How to access the JSON data, or how to push the data, how to get the data, all these things. Okay, so have a good day, guys. Somebody's messaging me. Tamal, repeat once. Tamal, what do you not understand?
Sir, could you could you help me out with indentation?
Okay, indentation. Okay, right. Okay, let me go. Sir, generally, normal Python code I'm writing. Normal Python code. Okay, this is normal Python code or not? Print hello. Normal Python. General code. Whenever I am writing the general code, okay, don't give spaces. If you give space, it will not take. Now it will work out. It will work out. But if I give a space here, just 1 second. What is the problem, sir? Unexpected indenter. Unexpected indenter. So please follow the rule. What is the rule? For example, general Python code you are writing. If I take one space here, in the first line I take one space. Second line I take one space. First line one space. Second line one space. It will work out, sir. Okay. First line I took number of spaces. Second line also you have to follow the same column and rule. Same column you have to follow. Same column you have to follow. Then it will work out. In other programming languages, first line I took 4 spaces. Second line I took 0 spaces. Third line I took 15 spaces. It will work out in other programming languages, but not in Python. Python indentation is mandatory. The same column and rule is mandatory. Okay. So by default, general Python, general code, you don't take any spaces. You don't take any spaces. But whenever we are writing some loops, conditions, see loops, conditions, all these things are basically having a block, na? Loops, conditions, functions, even functions also having a block, na? Even classes also we have the block,
Yes.
na? So whenever you have the block, compulsory one space needed. All above blocks, one space of indentation must. One space of indentation must. Okay. If you want to give 2 spaces, you can give, but one is mandatory. If you want to give more, you can give more, but remember, all the block lines need to follow. All the block lines need to follow same column and space. Okay, I will tell you. Okay, let me write down a simple condition, sir. Name is equal to Mohansh. If name double equal to Mohansh, okay, this is the condition, colon, enter. One space is already taken in the block. One space already taken or not?
Take it.
Okay, if I improve it, no problem. You if you want, you can improve it. Okay. I will write print matched. The next line I want to go for. Next line also starting from same column and space. Same column and space or not? So
Same.
still I am in the block only. I'm not out of the block. Still I am in the block. If you live in the block, you can write one more line. Thank you. Still in the block. Enter. Third line, where third line is blinking.
Same block.
Same block. So still we are alive in the block only, sir. So whenever you are alive in the block, I am going by. Okay. Then come to outside. Okay. Out. Okay. Execute it. Matched. Thank you. I'm going by. Block is executed, sir. Block is executed. Same like functions also. Let me write a def add okay, x comma y. Print x, print y, print x plus y. Same block or not? Okay. In the block,
Same
I
block.
want to take a more spaces. I'm taking a spaces here. Okay. Print x plus y. Okay. Call the function. Call the function out of the block. 10 comma 20. Now it will throw the error. Why this will throw error? I will show. I will show. This will throw error, sir. Why it will show error? Unindent does not match outer indentation level. This will throw error. What is the problem? What is the problem? Your block not following the indentation. Your block, your function block not following the indentation. You're doing some mistake here. You are doing some mistake here. You need to follow the indentation. Okay. First line taken lot of spaces. Okay. Second line also should be in the same column. Third line also should be in the same column. Output came or not?
Came, sir.
Okay. So in the function block, I don't want to take a single space also. Zero space. If I took zero space, it will not work out again. In the block, you took a zero space, it will not work out again. At least one space compulsory. In the block, at least one space compulsory. After that, how many number of spaces you want, you can take it. That is not an issue. Okay. Let me take one space here. One space here. One space here. Okay. It will work out. Sir, very, very important for Python. For Python. But this is not, this indentation concept is not available in other programming languages like C, C++, Java, .NET, PHP, Go language, Ruby language, anywhere you go. JavaScript, anywhere you go. This kind of indentation is not there. But Python have some rules and regulations. You have to follow it. It is very simple, sir. If you understand, it is very simple. If you understand, this is very simple. Just you read these lines. You read these lines. Clear, huh? Tamal, do you have any questions so far now?
No, sir.
Yeah, Tamal and Sriya, Rohit, Pawan, Rachna. And please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Your comments are valuable, sir. People are giving comments. I'm liking it. And please give some comments on videos. Anyway, I will reply you immediately. Why? Because of these comments will reach to the unknown persons. Unknown persons. So November 2nd, Gen AI we are going to be starting now. So please post this message. Everybody, every day, please post this message. Please post this message with your Instagram, with your Facebook, with your WhatsApp, wherever you want, you can do this. That is the only help Mohansh is asking you. That is the only help Mohansh is asking you. Gen AI batch is going to be starting on November 2nd. That is my birthday gift I am giving you. And please follow the channel, like the videos. If anybody not subscribed so far, please go and subscribe. Click on the bell icon and provide your comments, sir. Your comments are valuable. And my students, I know about my students. They are actually giving a lot of comments. I'm thanking for them. Please comment it. I will give you reply. Thanks, sir. We'll meet again tomorrow. We'll meet in the Mariner Stack batch, 12 p.m. Bye.
Thank you.
Any questions, queries? Any questions, queries? Rachna, Rohit, Sriya, Tamal.
Good, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Tamal, you have some? No, no. Clear? Huh?
Clear.
All the things are clear. Huh? Tamal,
Yes.
don't confuse Tamal. Right. Have a good day.